If you need to cancel your Gmail subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your Gmail account using your username and password. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access your Google account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Subscriptions. In the Google account settings, look for the Payments and Subscriptions tab. Click on it to view all your active subscriptions, including Gmail. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Find the Gmail subscription in the list of active subscriptions. Click on it to view the details and options related to the subscription. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Look for the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to read any information regarding the cancellation policy or potential charges. After completing these steps, your Gmail subscription will be cancelled. Remember to check your email for any confirmation regarding the cancellation.